everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first art video I ever made. I started drawing when I was 12, but I have recently stopped when I entered college. And during last year's quarantine, I decided to start drawing and painting, a bit as a therapy. And I also wanted to improve my art skills, exploring the other mediums and also experimenting with other styles. After a while, I decided to start an account to divulge my work. At first, I only posted the final work, but then I realized that people were interested in the making process. Therefore, I started doing these art videos, and this acrylic painting was the first art video I made. So, as I was focused on Instagram account, was the actual first account that I ever made, I ended up making videos specifically to upload to my Instagram account. But I decided recently to start uploading those videos to my YouTube channel. And so here I am. I made this painting during Valentine's of this year. I decided to do a sort of mosaic painting with just 4 main colors: blue, red, yellow. And then the centerpiece of this painting, which is the little landscape that you see in the smallest heart. There's a landscape with 2 wolves and the trees and the moonlight. You will see the result at the end of the video. And for that centerpiece, I decided to use a 4th color to contrast, aquamarine. This turned out actually to be one of my favorite paintings so far. I have other 2 paintings with the same color scheme. And I love these paintings so much that I ended up printing them on different products like pillows and mugs to decorate my house. You can actually see in the description of this video that I have products available to be printed with this artwork. I have a little Facebook shop catalog that also has other artworks available. I am still in the process of expanding my catalog with a lot of awesome products that I've tested. So I will upload in the future a video showcasing all products that I order as tests with different artworks. It's actually amazing. I am really proud of the results, the quality of printings and the products themselves. Any question that you have, you can contact me through the comments, or you can send me a message through my social media accounts, or you can go to my website gallery and contact me there. All links are in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Bye!